Hi there, Eric here with Search with AI. In this short video presentation, I'm going to present our growth thesis. We believe that every small business can quickly explode its revenue using humans plus AI powered growth system while spending less on cash. Most businesses are in a particular current state, whether they are making $0 a month or $5,000 a month or $10,000 a month, and they have a desired state on the right hand side here, which could be $10,000 a month or $100,000 a month. We believe that for you to go from your current state to the desired state, you need a complete solution. Most courses and coaching programs out there do not offer this complete solution. They may give you some information that is incomplete. It is not going to take you from your current state to the desired state. It takes you somewhere halfway or less than halfway down the road. Leads are not customers. Even if you have a system that is generating leads, you need to have paying customers. That's really what you need. It's very easy to generate leads. It's much more difficult to convert those leads into paying customers. Courses and coaching programs just provide information. They don't implement that information for you. So you need a complete solution installed in your business. You need a done for you service for you to get from your current state to your desired state. You need a complete bridge. What we do is we install AI powered systems and recruit and train humans. That's why we call it a humans plus AI powered growth system that we install in your company to take you from point A, your current state, to point B, your desired state. We install this system in your lead generation system. We install this system for you to be able to easily set appointments and for you to make sure that people who set appointments with you actually show up. This helps with closing your sales. That's how you generate more revenue for your company. Every business needs AI powered systems to survive. It's not a question of if, you have to in this day and age. With our system, which is complete, you get paying customers, not just leads. So, on your appointment call with our growth consultant, the call may last anywhere from 30 minutes to 45 minutes. We will start by reviewing your business from how you do lead generation, how you handle your appointment setting system, how do you make sure that people who set up appointments actually show up. We go review your sales process, your delivery process, your customer service experience, your HR if you're a bigger company that has human resource needs. So we review all that and we set up a system which is humans plus AI powered to explode your revenue in 30 days. There are two basic ways to grow your revenue. You can either bring in more customers or you can make your current customers pay more or buy more of your services. So you bring in more customers by using paid traffic, organic traffic. You can use referrals, partnerships, and affiliates. You make your current customers buy more from you. You can actually just increase your price or you let them buy more from you each time they come in to buy. Each time you get a new customer, they buy more from you by upselling them. Or you can get them to buy more frequently, or you you install some type of a subscription system. That's how you generate more revenue. So let's talk about bringing in more customers. Let's talk about getting more people to raise their hands that they want your product or service. There are four simple steps that you have here. First of all, in your business, you need to generate more attention using paid ads, or organic traffic, or outbound. You use like cold calls or cold emailing. Then you have to own that attention. When you own that attention in the form of email lists, Facebook groups, YouTube channels, Discord. Maybe you own Discord channels, SMS lists, WhatsApp groups. That's how you own the attention. When you own attention, that's a lot of wealth for you. When you own his attention, you need to spend time educating. You have to educate your leads, your prospects. You have to educate that attention. You do this using what we call sales assets. These come in the form of video sales letters. You may do webinars. You may use AI chatbots to help educate your audience. When they are well educated, it's easier for you to convert them into paying customers and paying clients because of what we call persuasion. There's a nice book written by Robert Cialdini. The title of the book is Persuasion. You can pick it up from Amazon, listen to it while you're driving. It's a great book. It tells you how to get people to commit to your cause, how to get people to buy from you using what he calls persuasion. Educating your audience is a large portion of this persuasion, and we're going to talk a little bit more about that down the road. So generating attention, like we said, you use paid organic traffic, and you want to be able to capture most of your leads. We use what we call in a video lead capture technology. Our software is called Viquify.com. So we use that to capture more leads. We also use AI chatbots on our landing pages to capture more leads. So when you generate attention, you have to own that attention. Attention is the new word. So if you have a big YouTube channel, you have a big email list or SMS list or WhatsApp group or WhatsApp chat group, you can easily sell to that group. We will help you own that attention and also help you uh, make money from that attention that you now own. So when you run Facebook ads generally, what we do is we use the lead pages on Facebook. So we usually capture our leads there, then we send them to a main VSL. This is a video sales letter. The clients will watch the the prospects will watch the video sales letter, and then they can decide to book an appointment. And then you go to a thank you page. This is what most people do. We're going to refine it a little bit, and I'm going to show you what we do to actually increase our results. So in case you're running YouTube ads, this is what most people do. You run a YouTube ad, they come to a landing page where you have to put in your email address or phone number, and then you're taken to a main VSL. We call this landing page here, we call it a brick wall because only about 20% of people who come here, they actually give you their email address or phone number. So 80% of your prospects, 80% of the money you spend is gone because they don't go through this brick wall. So we prefer not to use a brick wall. We have a better system using our Viquify software. So what we do is if you run a Facebook ad, you're going to come to the landing page. On the landing page, we have your VSL. You let your prospects start watching the VSL right away. You give them enough information up front so that somewhere in the middle of the VSL, you're going to ask for their phone number and their email address. When you do it this way, you actually capture more leads. We are able to capture up to 60% of everybody who starts watching the VSL. So that's how you actually spend less money on ads and you capture more leads than using this brick wall system here. So now you take them to a booking page. When they watch the VSL, with your call to action sends them to a booking page where they book an appointment. And then after they book an appointment, there's a thank you page. We don't just say thank you, see you on your call. No. We use this thank you page to pre-educate, to pre-sell the prospect. This is part of persuasion. Persuasion. This is part of the persuasion that Robert Cialdini talks about very nicely in his book. So in your on your thank you page, you're going to have a process selling VSL. You may also put some case studies there or testimonials, or you may even put some chatbots there that will answer some more questions. So you put in as much information as possible to educate the prospect so that when they show up to the call, they are just showing up to pay you. They are not showing up to ask you, oh, what do you actually do? So we talked about owning attention, which is email lists, Facebook groups, and all that. So we went through that already. Educating your attention, educating the attention is very important. Like we said, we use sales assets, which are process selling, VSL, case studies. We use AI chatbots, which help with persuasion, so that the prospects actually become believers before they ever show up to the call. And what we do is we recruit and train appointment setters to make sure their prospects actually get all this education. So, you may have it on your thank you page, but they may not watch it. So you're going to send them a text message or you give them a phone call. That's what the appointment setter does. What the appointment setter does. They'll give them a phone call and ask them to make sure that they have consumed your educational material. There are 4 required components for exploding revenue by bringing in new customers. The components are: number 1, an irresistible offer. This offer needs to solve a specific problem for a specific type of customer within a specific time frame. For example, for us, we help small businesses explode their revenue within 30 days without them spending extra cash by installing our humans plus AI powered growth system into the businesses. Your systems to actually solve the problem, not just provide some information. Courses and coaching programs are not good enough. You need to provide a complete solution. So, how do you find out what people actually need so that you can make your offer to be irresistible for them and provide a complete solution? You just ask them simple questions. What do they actually want? What don't they like? What are they afraid of? What is preventing them from solving their problems in the first place? You need to understand the industry. So, if you're doing marketing or sales or whatever service you're offering to your clientele, you need to understand their speak. If you need tech systems and humans, you need to provide everything. Customers and business owners, they don't have time. You need to make sure that it is impossible for your clients not to achieve their goals. You can charge a lot of money when you provide all that value, when you provide a complete solution. Think about it this way. People who are in a weight loss, people who want to lose weight, you have 3 options. You can provide diet plans, which are like courses. This is an incomplete solution. Health coaching is incomplete. These are just blueprints. The first 2 are incomplete solutions. But think about it this way. Somebody comes in with an injection that works fast. Even though it's expensive, it provides a quick, complete solution. So this is expensive. However, this third option, this is what clients want. This is what people are buying. You don't even need to advertise it. People just want it. Money loves speed. People want to have their problems solved fast. So the second component is having a robust lead generation system. So how do you get new leads for your business? Paid advertising, like we said. Always remember that leads are not customers. Paid traffic is fast. We start with paid traffic. We also put in organic traffic slowly, but paid traffic works really, really fast. The messaging is very important. You need to make sure that you clearly identify your customer avatar. You need to make sure that you communicate your offer clearly. And you need to make sure that you're capturing the traffic that comes to your landing page. Make sure that you capture email and phone number. Email is not good enough. You also need a phone number all the time. However, a large portion of the people who come to your website or your landing page, they're not going to provide you that information. That's why you need to use appropriate technology like in-video lead capture, prospecting AI chatbots to make sure that you capture all that information. Brick wall pages, like we said before, they don't cut it. Your landing page should have a hook that entices them to give you their email address and phone number. If you put something on your landing page like, okay, subscribe to our newsletter, it doesn't mean anything. You need to actually provide a solution. That's the only thing that will entice them to give you their phone numbers and email addresses. Then after that, you present your main VSL on your landing page. This should tell the really why they want to book an appointment with you. It needs to be very, very educational. So once they book an appointment with you, how do you get them to show up? Getting the leads to book an appointment is not good enough. It is very important for you to work the leads to get them to actually show up to their booked appointment. So you have to engage your leads in conversations that will help with conversion. Some leads want to get as much information from you as possible. Think about it this way. Maybe you're selling insurance, maybe you're selling real estate, maybe you are in the health professions, maybe you're a lawyer, an accountant. Prospects, potential customers have a lot of questions, so you need to answer those questions upfront. That's why you need to use uh, videos, prospecting, conversational AI chatbots to make sure that you answer their questions. You need appointment setters to call or send text messages or DM the leads to help them get more educational materials so that they actually keep their appointments. An educated prospect is easier to convert than somebody who is not educated on what you do. So on your appointment thank you page, this is something that we help you do. We provide a lot of educational material on your thank you page. You have a process selling VSL which explains to the prospect exactly what you do, your unique mechanism. This will turn every prospect into a believer even before they show up to your call. They are not coming to your call to ask you, oh, what do you actually do again? No. They are coming to your call to ask you, how much does your service cost? That's why they show up to your call. That's why you have to build everything in there to make sure that you have believers before they show up to your call. You can add case studies there. We also use conversational AI chatbots with some of our clients. This helps a lot with selling, even handling objections. So you can convert more leads into booked appointments and convert your book appointments into sales using educational content, setters, and even run some retargeting ads to make sure that they show up to the appointments. So people who show up to the appointment need to be able to buy what you're trying to sell. So you need a way to qualify them. So that's what the appointment setters do. They probably call up front or maybe they text them to make sure that the person who booked the appointment, they are actually able to pay for your service. There are some qualifying questions that you can use, and we help you with that. The show up rate is very important. So one appointment setter can handle up to 1,200 calls in a month, 1,200 leads a month. So if you use good technology and good training systems for your appointment setters, this is not a problem. Then they are not sitting there dialing every single call. You have to have a system where they can easily dial. A system that send text messages easily. So we build everything out for you. The appointment setter, you need to make sure that your appointment setters are calling the leads within 5 minutes. They call them 3 times back to back. A lot of people now are putting their phones on a do not disturb mode. So if you call them 3 times, what happens is by the third call, if the third call is coming from the same phone number, they will pick up the phone. Usually people will pick up the phone. Unless they are in a meeting or they are sleeping or they are busy somewhere, usually they'll pick up the phone. If they don't pick up the phone, you call again after 1 hour. If you don't get them after 1 hour, you call them at the end of the day. Sometime around 4 to 6 p.m., a lot of people are driving home. At that time, they'll pick up your call. They'll talk to you during that time. So during the first day, we try to reach the lead at least 5 times. So you're going to make at least 5 phone calls on day 1. Day 2, you make another 2 calls, 2 to 3 calls on day 2. So within the first 48 hours, you're calling them about 7 to 8 times until you get them. You call them 7 to 8 times until they answer the phone. The first 5 minutes is crucial, very, very important. That's why your appointment setters have to be on top of it. That's how you set your KPIs for your business. Make sure that they're calling within 5 minutes. We also build AI appointment setting systems to help you get people to actually show up for the appointment. We send emails, put them on an email sequence. Like we also said, you can use retargeting ads to convince them to actually show up to your appointment. And of course, you need to have an excellent sales framework to convert book appointments into sales and deliver happiness to your clients. You then collect the data, analyze your data, and then optimize everything and then rerun it. So to summarize, how do you get more leads for your business while spending less on ads? 1, we use in-video lead capture technology, avoiding the brick wall, like we said before. 2, we use prospecting conversational AI chatbots on our landing pages. These chatbots are programmed using company data, and we also make the chatbots do the selling 24/7. It's amazing what AI is able to do today using ChatGPT. We also use enticing copy, very good video sales letters, and we build all this out for you. Let AI help you do a lot of the stuff for you. So, how do you get more qualified leads to show up for the appointments? Like we said before, conversational AI chatbots, building out your thank you pages with process selling VSL. This process selling VSL explains to the lead exactly how your system works. So when they show up, they know exactly what you're all about. You use appointment setter. We use a human appointment setter, text call DM, like we said before. Appointment setter has to call within 5 minutes. We talked about the call attempts. And we also have the AI appointment setters that do the SMS. What we've noticed that the human element is very important. 50% of people who show up to the booked appointments are people who've actually talked to a human being. So AI alone is not good enough. You also need humans to do the job. So the second way to drastically improve your revenue is getting your customers to spend more, right? Your customers can only buy more from you if they get excellent customer service, and probably even refer more people to you. You have to have a transformational product for you to be able to do this. One way to improve your customer service is by answering all questions and addressing all concerns. Customer education is extremely important. You can do this either by hiring humans who are on the phone or in DMs, on your Facebook groups answering questions, or you can use conversational AI customer service chatbots to cost effectively improve your customer service. So a lot of businesses are using conversational AI customer service chatbots. These are things that we build for you. So you can easily improve your customer experience and delivery by making sure that your staff is well trained. So we provide staff training and onboarding AI chatbots for you to help with the staff training. If you are a bigger company and actually have a human resource department, I support a human resource support AI chatbot may be very helpful for you. So instead of you spending time uh, for your HR support staff spending their time answering questions like, okay, how much PTO time do I have in a year? Your staff can just go to the AI chatbot and those questions will be answered so that you can spend more time on the emotional aspects of your staff. Like, say, for example, uh, your staff or your staff family member is sick, you can show up at the hospital and visit with them. So those are the things that you spend your time doing, and let the AI chatbots do most of the other routine stuff for you. So in summary, what are the benefits of an AI chatbot? These make customer experience better, and everything is automated. All the repetitive questions are answered. You have increased efficiency for your customer service and sales rep. Your staff is more knowledgeable about your products and services and your protocols and your rules and regulations in your company. These chatbots are available 24/7 to answer questions for you. They even do selling for you, like I said. They can automatically collect data and feed it to do additional automation within your sales process. So you can send automated SMS messages and things like that that are customized based on what your customers have. They can, you have chatbots that can even go read information from your customers or your potential customers website and actually tailor a response based on what they have on their website without you sitting down doing that. So AI can do a lot of work for you. We build all these systems. What we believe is that AI is a full-time team member and you have to treat it that way. So our thesis is that we can cost effectively use AI technology combined with a well-trained staff to explode your revenue by converting more leads to paying customers, and also increase your revenue by providing an excellent customer service. We implement everything for you. We want to make sure that you succeed. We make it impossible for you not to win. We do everything for you. Ours is a done for you program. We don't just give you information. So, our step by step done for you process. Step one, we do the market research for you. We do competition research. We help you with your messaging and all that. Step number two, we do staff recruiting. So we recruit the appointment setters for you to help you nurture your leads and convert booked appointments into people who actually into show up. to people who actually show up for the appointments. We run your Facebook ads for you, YouTube ads, TikTok ads. We provide a systems engineer who builds a conversational AI chatbots for you. We set up all the automations to send customized AI powered SMS messages, emails, and everything for you. We set up your sales funnels, integrate everything with your CRM systems. We help you copywriting for your ads, your VSL scripts, your UGC ad scripts. UGC is user generated content. Um, we help you your video editing. We design your ad sets for you. We even recruit actors and UGC influencers, to help you create more videos and just market your business much better. So everything is done for you here. You may not need everything at the very beginning, but whatever you need, we provide it for you. So we build a lead generation system for you. We choose the ad framework. We usually start with Facebook. We build your main VSL for your landing pages. That's your video sales letter. We develop your ad copy. We set up your sales funnel, your ad campaigns. We build the prospecting AI chatbots for you to generate leads. Step number 4, convert your lead to qualified book appointment done for you. Recruit and train the appointment setters. We set up AI powered appointment setting system. These are very powerful. They send automated SMS, automated SMS messages. Uh, these are customized SMS messages based on what your client has. It's not just a generic SMS message that is sending. We build a lead qualification system for you. We build an appointment booking thank you page for you with a process selling VSL, case studies, conversational AI chatbots to handle objections. Persuasion is very important. So, like I said before, educating your client, educating your potential client, that's what makes it easy for you to convert that potential client into a paying customer. So then step 5, we launch, optimize, and scale your Facebook ads, your funnel, scale the winners. We do all that for you. Everything is done for you. We just make it impossible for you not to win. We work with you step by step. We can provide you with somebody who run your ads for you on a long-term basis. We provide somebody who can run the systems for you on a long-term basis. We hold your hand every step by step. We manage everything for you. We want to make sure that you succeed because we want you to refer more customers to us. So right now, having digested all this information, you have 2 options. You can either continue watching some more YouTube videos, or you can take all the information that I provided to you and go and do it yourself. You can even buy a $10 or $20 course on Udemy. Also, you can even buy some people buy expensive courses from some of these gurus. But the fact is that when you try to do everything by yourself, less than 5% actually do it. So courses are useless. Coaching programs are a little bit more helpful. Success rate is about 10%. Still terrible. I don't know why anybody will spend their money on a coaching program. So what we do is we offer a done for you service. The success rate is very high. You get a faster, effortless transformation. It's not just about getting information, it's about getting information and affecting change. If you don't affect any change in your business, nothing is going to happen. You need transformation. That's what you need. I'm not going to say we are the cheapest, but we provide the best value. We implement everything for you. We are done for you. We'll be able to launch this. We're able to launch this service. We're able to install everything for you within 7 days or sooner. However, we need your engagement. You help us provide some graphics. You have to make sure that you review all the ads. You have approve all the videos and everything that we do for you. You are most likely limited in time and expertise in implementing everything. I'm pretty sure you spend more time doing your own stuff in your business. So let us come in and do the lead generation and sales for you. Help you convert more leads into paying customers. That's what our system does. That's why we come in as a done for you team. You're done for you team. That's how you explode your revenue. We are not just talking about generating leads. We are talking about bringing in paying customers. So who do we work with? We don't work with everybody. If you don't have a validated offer, we can't help you. You must already have product market fit. So you need to have something that people want to buy. You must be willing to spend at least $2,000 per month on ads. You must have at least one case study that you can talk about in a video. We like a video case study. You must have at least 3 to 5 hours during the setup phase to work with our team to set up everything. We're going to do everything for you. However, you must learn how things operate. You must learn how to identify the bottlenecks, how to continuously improve. You have to be willing to educate us on the services that you provide. Let's understand what you do and how you do it. You will need to approve all the graphics that we use, all the copy, all the videos and the scripts, everything before we launch it. You need to approve it. So that's why we need some time commitment from you. If you're not able to offer this time commitment, then we cannot work with you because we're not going to get a good result. We only want to work with people that we're able to provide them with an excellent result. We provide training for your appointment setter. However, you must hire the appointment setter from within your team or from your pool of appointment setters. If you do not have anybody on your team to do it and you are not going to pay for an appointment setter, we can train you to initially be the appointment setter until you start generating a lot more revenue. You must have an open mind and be willing to change. Change is very important. If you want to get from your current state to your desired state, you need to change. Getting information is not good enough. You need to change. So we are there. We are here to implement that change for you. You're going to have to accept some unpleasant truth that we will uncover during our consultation process with you. Our growth consultant will be on the call with you to understand their business so that we can set up a good plan for you to get you from your current state to your desired state within 30 to 60 days. If we implement everything fast, you're going to see tremendous results within 60 days, within 30 days, sorry. So you have two options here. You can take all the information and implement everything yourself, or you can compress time by working with us to implement everything. It has to be a good fit for you and a good fit for us too before we can start working together. That's why that next conversation will be very important. Business loves speed. It's not a question as to whether you're going to use AI or not. You have to use AI. The question is, how fast do you want to get in? Or do you want to be left behind? So you need to make a decision today. So these are some of the things. These are some of the action ideas. Like I said, you can go ahead and do all this stuff by yourself, or you can let us implement everything for you. So it's up to you now. Take action. If you have not yet booked an appointment, click on the link somewhere on this page to book an appointment, and I will see you on the inside. May God bless you. Bye-bye.